Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video I am going to show you some traditional cottage decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Traditional cottage decoration is a timeless interior design style that creates a warm, cozy and welcoming home inspired by old countryside cottages. It focuses on comfort, natural materials, handcrafted details, and a lived-in charm rather than a modern or perfect look. Here are some practical tips to create a beautiful traditional cottage home. Display everyday items beautifully by keeping teacups, jars, cookbooks, and wooden utensils visible on shelves or countertops. Use vintage-style hardware such as brass, bronze, or ceramic knobs and handles on cabinets and drawers. Hang a mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light and make a small cottage home feel brighter. Bring in gentle patterns like checks, stripes, tiny florals, or gingham instead of bold modern prints. Keep pathways clear and avoid overcrowding furniture so the home feels relaxed rather than cluttered. Decorate with copper or enamel cookware and display them on open shelves or hanging racks for an authentic cottage kitchen. Create a window seat with soft cushions and floral pillows to make a cozy place for reading or relaxing. Mix antique with everyday furniture so your home feels collected over generations rather than newly finished. Use ceramic or stoneware pieces such as pitchers, bowls, and vases for a handcrafted cottage feel. Decorate with natural textures like wicker baskets, rattan chairs, jute rags, and linen table runners. Choose classic floral arrangements such as roses, hydrangeas, daisies, lavender, or wildflowers to brighten each room. Keep countertops simple by displaying only a few beautiful and useful items, such as a wooden cutting board, a ceramic utensil holder, and a small plant. Embrace imperfections. Slightly worn wood, aged metal, handmade pottery, and vintage fabrics add character and make a traditional cottage feel authentic. Create a cozy breakfast nook with a small wooden table, comfortable cushions, and fresh flowers. Store pantry items in glass jars and label them neatly for a practical yet decorative look. Choose an iron or wooden bed frame to give the bedroom a classic cottage character. Decorate your porch or entryway with flower pots, a wooden bench, a rocking chair to create a warm welcome. Use lace or sheer curtains to soften sunlight while keeping rooms bright and airy. Add greenery to every room with potted herbs, ferns, ivy, or small flowering plants. Decorate with nature-inspired accessories such as botanical prints, pine cones, or dried branches. Keep the atmosphere calm and uncluttered. Choose meaningful decor pieces instead of filling every surface, allowing each item to stand out. Choose a farmhouse style sink to add timeless charm to your kitchen. Use oven baskets in every room for stylish storage of blankets, towels, toys, or magazines. Decorate with candles and lanterns to create a warm, relaxing glow in the evenings. Display vintage china or teacups in a glass cabinet or on open shelves as decorative accents. Include fresh seasonal touches like spring flowers, summer wildflowers, autumn pumpkins, or winter evergreen branches. Mix soft textures by combining linen, cotton, wool, wicker, and wood throughout the room. Use simple white dishes as everyday tableware. They never go out of style and suit any cottage home. Decorate with old-fashioned clocks, pictures, or animal jugs to give your home a sense of history. Connect your home with the garden by placing flower boxes, climbing plants, or potted herbs near doors and windows to blur the line between indoors and outdoors. Exposed wooden ceiling beams or use fox beams to add instant cottage character. Hang dried herbs like lavender, rosemary, or thyme in the kitchen for both decoration and a countryside feel. Decorate with mantle in layers with antique books, candles, framed artwork, and small ceramic vases. Use patchwork quilts as bedspreads or sofa throws for a cozy, handcrafted look. Display collections such as teapots, vintage bottles, oven baskets, or ceramic pitchers instead of hiding them away. Add furniture with turned legs like traditional coffee tables, side tables, or console tables for classic cottage style. Use natural window treatments made from linen or cotton to keep rooms bright and airy. Decorate with fresh fruit in wooden bowls on the kitchen counter or dining table for a simple, welcoming touch. Let every room tell a story. Include family heirlooms, handmade crafts, treasured books, or vintage finds that give your home a personal and timeless character. Use checked or gingham fabrics for curtains, cushions, or tablecloths to add classic country charm. Install wooden peg rails or coat hooks in the hallway for hanging hats, baskets, or jackets. Choose white painted furniture with gently distressed edges for a bright, timeless cottage look. Keep a simple centerpiece on the dining table, such as a ceramic jug filled with fresh seasonal flowers. Mix different textures like smooth ceramics, rough wood, soft linen, oven wicker, and cozy wool to create depth. Focus on quality over quantity. Choose decor that is meaningful and timeless rather than filling every space with decorations. Leave some empty space. Traditional cottages feel cozy, but they also allow the eye to rest. Avoid overcrowding shelves and tabletops. The heart of traditional cottage decorating is creating a home that feels peaceful, welcoming, and naturally beautiful, where comfort and character are always more important than perfection.